I'm going to show you how to change the DNS server of your system. So this the last video we make, I show you how to change the DNS on your mobile phone, and I explain what DNS is and different type of DNS. And this video, I'm going to show you how to make changes and how to change the DNS configuration on your Windows computer. So whether you're using Windows 10, Windows 7, or Windows 11, or even Windows XP, the configuration is pretty much at the same thing. So this is, I'm going to show you two methods. There are two methods to change DNS on your computer, Windows computer. So the first method is changing the DNS of a particular connected network devices. So there are practically three ways you can connect a network to your computer. One is using a wireless connection. The other one is using Bluetooth, and the third one is using cable, USB cable or Ethernet cable. So I'm going to show you whichever one you are using. The procedure is the same thing. So here we are going to practice with using a Wi-Fi to change our DNS. So we're going to practice using a Wi-Fi to change our DNS. All right, before we start, we are going to check the DNS this system is using currently using a command line. So to check the DNS you are using a command line, simply click on Windows R, then type CMD, hit on enter. It's going to open your command line. Type IP config /o. So it's going to display the IP, the DNS your device is going to use. So as you can see, these are all the different network connections available in the system. We have the wireless connection using LAN adapter. We have the wireless connection using LAN adapter. The second one, we have the wireless LAN adapter, which is the Wi-Fi. This one is the local area network connecting using a cable. So this one is connecting using Wi-Fi, which is the network, our active network. So as you can see, this is our DNS server. So our DNS server is this. So we are going to change our DNS server, and it will be this also. Now this is a network Bluetooth connection. So first, proceed to your network. Click on your Wi-Fi icon. Go to properties of the network you want to change the DNS. Now on the properties, scroll down. You can see IP setting. Click on edit. Now it's in automatic. Remove it, click on manual. Now enable the IPv4 address. Now you can change the IP address. So now let's change to Google IP address. So this is the primary IP address for primary DNS for Google. This is the secondary DNS for Google. So once you are done, hit on save. All right, let me hide this. Hit on save. All right, so this can save IP address. Check one or more settings and try again. All right, okay, yeah, I can see these 8 has dots at the end. So let's screen the 8 and save our IP address. So we have saved the IP address, the DNS address. So this is the DNS address this network is using now. This network is using now. Now, if you are to check this DNS here, it's not going to reflect here. It's not going to reflect here. As you can see, it's still showing that we are using the old DNS because we are still overruled with the other method. Still showing that we are using the old method, the old DNS, because we just set for a specific DNS, a specific DNS address, a specific DNS server. But here it's showing the DNS server of the network adapter, overall DNS server. So now I'm going to show you how to change the overall DNS server of your network adapter. So proceed to your network tab. Now I'm going to internet and setting, or you can open your setting. You can use Windows I to open your settings. All right, let me close this. Windows I. So you go to network and internet. Once you're in network and internet, so you can click on change adapter option. Click on change adapter option. So you will see all your adapter, your network adapter listed here. So this is Bluetooth, this is Wi-Fi. So we want to change the wireless, want to change the DNS of our wireless adapter. So I click on the wireless adapter. Go to properties. Now on the properties, click on TCP IPv4. Now click on properties. Now click on use the following DNS server address. So now we are going to use the add guide DNS server, the one we use on the phone. So when you are using it on the phone, we just use the URL. So but in system you have to put the IP address. So the IP address are listed here. So you can input the IP address for. We have the IP address for the ad blocking, we have family protection, and then we have non-filtering. So let's use the ad blocking to block ads from your system. So the ad blocking DNS is 94 94.140.14, then .14. The primary, the secondary is 94.140.15.15. All right, don't forget to click this setting, validate setting upon exit, click OK, and then close. Now, if we go back to our server, let's clear this. Now, if we go back to our server and then ipconfig.org, so you can see that I've changed our network DNS server. So I changed our DNS server. So provided that you changed after changing it and closing it and doing exactly what I did, and it's still showing the old one. What you have to do is you have to clear the cards and then refresh out the old one from the system memory, so that, and then request for a new data. And to do that, you type ipconfig then /flush DNS. So this will successfully flush the DNS, and then you can now go back and then IP renew. Now this will request the latest information from the system, from all the network adapter, and then you can now go back and do it again, IP config /org, to now give you the latest current information of the DNS we are going to use it. All right, guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share our video, and give us a thumbs up if you love this video. And then I want to know what video you want me to do next on the comment section. Good day and God bless you.